The letter C has two sounds. One is ka, and another one is sa. Let's see in which cases the letter C gives ka sound and sa sound. For example, the letter C has ka sound in cat, comb, cut. So, the letter C gives ka sound when it's followed by vowels like A, O, U, and consonants like L, R. For example, class, craft. The letter C gives sa sound when it's followed by vowels like E, li, and also a semi-vowel like Y. For example, center, city, cycle. Please subscribe. S sound when C is followed by E, I, Y. Cease, ceiling, celebrate, sell, cement, censor, censure, centimeter, center, century, certain, certificate, cigarette, Cinderella, cinema, circle, circulation, circus, city, citizen, civil, citrus, citation, cistern, cyan, cyber, cycle, cyclone, cylinder, cynical, cyst. K sound in all other cases: cat, cab, catch, cashew, clinch, clinic, climb, closet, cloth, cloud, cluster, coal, coach, coffee, code, college, comic, complex, condition, concert, constant. Please subscribe this channel for more content like this. The letter C gives some other sounds. Let's see what are they. The letter C, along with H, that is CEH, gives sounds like cha, as in chapter, chicken, sha, sound as in chef, champagne, chauffeur. Lastly, ka as in chemistry, chemical, Christmas, Christ, chronic, chrome. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.